Dear students, today we are going to see how to record the electrocardiogram in a subject. So, of course, this is a normal subject, and whatever we have seen in the lectures of electrocardiograph, that is what is electrocardiographic machine and how the ECG is recorded. So, that we will record today actually by a machine. So, today we have this ECG machine, okay, which is having this leads, and these are the limb leads. These are the limb leads which are attached to the arms and the legs of a subject, and there is one chest lead. Now we know that the ECG is recorded by applying the limb leads and the chest leads. The chest leads are applied at different positions. So the same lead, this is the same chest lead which is replaced from V1 to V2, then V3, V4, V5 and V6. Okay. So these are the leads. Here there is specific name is written for this lead. Okay. Now this L means it is left side. Okay. This is R. So this is the right arm. Then this is F. So it is a foot, that is the left leg, and another is the neutral. Okay, so that is denoted by this black color. So we have to identify these leads according to their names. Okay, according to their names, and there is a socket for their connection. Okay, so there is a socket for the connection with this ECG machine. Okay, so we will apply this lead to right arm, left arm and left leg, and one neutral ECG limb lead to the right leg. Okay, so first, before applying the leads, you should apply the jelly because it conducts the electrical impulses. Okay, so we apply jelly. Now we will apply the limb leads first to the legs. Okay, now this is the left leg. Okay, so the lead which is having the markation of F, that is applied to the left leg, that is left foot, and first I will apply the jelly here, some jelly to the leg also, and I will push or I will apply this lead to the leg. Okay, now another second lead which is there, it should be applied to the right leg. It should be applied to the right leg. So the lead having a black color, or it is neutral, which is written here neutral, that should be applied to the right leg. Okay, so it is applied for giving the earthing. Okay, as it is a neutral, so we have applied here the ECG lead to the legs. Okay, now we will apply these leads to the arms. Now there are two leads which are applied here to the arms. One is the right arm and another is the left arm. So here it is written as right. So we will apply this to the right arm. So before applying, you just apply the jelly. Okay. So in this way it is applied to the right arm. Then this limb leads, where it is L, it is applied to the left arm. Okay, so we have applied these leads, right arm, left leg, and one lead is applied on the right leg, which will act as a ground electrode. Okay, which will act as a ground electrode. And first, this is the limb lead, this is the chest lead, which is applied over the chest, and we will be shifting this lead from lead 1, V1, V2, V3, V5, V6. So V1 is the position of V1 is actually here on right side, fourth intercostal space. On right side, fourth intercostal space near the sternum. So we will apply this lead here. Now we will change this lead V1, V2, V3 according to the positions when we will record the respective lead. Okay. Now after application of this lead, we are going to record the graph, ECG graph on this machine. Now this machine has the calibrations. So the calibrations are here, the gain is 20 at the speed of 25 mm, and it has having the demarcations of on, off, then start. Okay, then this arrow it advances. Now there is a lead 1, lead 2, lead 3, AVR, AVF, AVL and V. So as we go on changing the position, it will record according to the leads. Okay, so we'll start here. You have started recording and it will record the ECG in lead 1. Okay, so this is the ECG which is recorded in the lead 1. Now I will stop this and I will, now this is the lead 1 ECG. Okay, now I will shift this by this button to lead 2. Okay, and I will again start recording. Whatever ECG is recorded, it is for the lead 2. This will be for the lead 2. So this is the recording of ECG on the lead 2. Now I will again shift this to lead 3 and again I will start recording the ECG in the lead 3. Now whatever ECG is recorded on this paper will be in the lead 3. Okay, now I will stop here. So now we have recorded the ECG in lead 1. This is the ECG in lead 1. This is the ECG in lead 2 and this is the ECG in lead 3. Now I will shift to this, the lead to AVR, that is augmented lead, AVR. So I have shifted this to AVR and then again I will start recording. Whatever record we will get, that will get into the lead of AVR. Okay, this is the recording in the ECG lead of the AVR. Now I will stop this. Then again I will shift it to AVL, that is augmented lead in the left leg, in the left arm. So augmented lead in the left arm, I will start recording. So again I will get the record of the ECG in AVL, that is in the AVL. Stop here. Again I will shift this button to AVF, that is left foot, that is of the left foot. Then again I will start recording. So whatever recording I am getting here, that is of the left foot. So I will stop here. Now this is the ECG in the augmented lead, that is the bipolar lead. Okay. Now I will shift this button to chest leads. Now it is written V here. It is for the chest leads. Now I will record the chest lead, that is the V1, because I have put the chest lead on the position of V1. Now this ECG will be of the chest lead, that is V1. Okay, so I will start recording here. Okay, so this is the ECG